So this is a hammer, like a nightlight, projector, and it also does white noise. It comes with this little stand so that you can set it on. So this is the speaker that does the white noise. You would actually set it like this so that the speaker, or so that the projector will be up on the wall. You press these buttons to turn on the nightlight. On the side, you can adjust the settings there. And then these buttons up here will turn on the projector, and I'll show you how to use all of that here in just a little bit. Okay, so you have these 3 buttons. This one turns it on and off. So we'll turn that off and we'll turn it on. This one is to change the nebula color, and then this one is to switch the little laser beams or star-like things to on and off, or do it long. So this is what it looks like on the ceiling. So it changes. We're gonna change the color. Really easy to do. And then we can change these stars. So we're gonna keep them on all the time. We're gonna turn them off. And then we're gonna do where it will come on and come off at the same time. Now, that is all controlled from the hammer itself. Like I said, it has this little stand. So it also comes with this remote control. So you can turn the projection on or off. This is the projection switch, which changes that. We're gonna turn the lights on, keep them on, and turn them off. So you've got that, and then you've got the night light. This is actually like white noise. So I've got it turned down right now, but I'm gonna turn it on so you can hear. It has these songs. And you can change the song. Turn the volume up and down. You also have your bright adjustment and a speed switch, the star switch, the nebula breathing, and just a way to easily control this from like your kid's bedroom door or whatever you need to do, but just creates this beautiful environment at night. So it's really easy to use. You can use it, like I can just turn it on and off here. I can adjust those lights. Works great. I think that kids will really like this, especially if using a night light is something that they need at night.